Hello, my fellow Aldi addict. It's Jackie. I'm at Aldi. It's raining. It's Sunday evening because tomorrow is Memorial Day. I hope you have a fabulous day and take time to remember those that made the ultimate sacrifice for our freedom if you're an American watching this. So we're going to get my week of groceries, and don't forget, I'll share with you my meal plan at the end. Hopefully I can stay dry. I love this indoor-outdoor bed for pets. There's only one left, $16.99. Super cute and pretty big. Last week I made a fatal error and I forgot to get my son Cheez-Its, $3.69. Okay, croissants were not on my list, but there's a $2 off and they're $2.99, so I'll get these for 99 cents. My kids actually really like these. I only saw them because I plan to get English muffins when we have breakfast for dinner this week, $1.45. Someone mentioned to me that they love the seed bread from Aldi and they have bananas and peanut butter with it, and you know what? That sounded good, so I'm gonna try it. $3.59. Anyone think I can get my kids to try it too? Okay, this is how my freezer gets full. You guys know it. I have $1 off of a $1.49 baguette. Yep, we love bread, so I'm getting it. We are making brioche sliders tomorrow on our Blackstone for Memorial Day. So I need the mini brioche rolls, $4.69. I'm getting just the classic white bread that my husband and son love, $1.29. My older daughter wanted green grapes again. They don't have it. Luckily, I'm going to Meijer after this, so I'll look for them there. And I do have strawberries on my list, but I was smart and looked at the Meijer ad before I came in, and they're 4 for $5 at Meijer, but $2 a piece here, so I'll wait for Meijer. Okay, I'm gonna see how much they'll take off this. It's $4.29 and it has $5 off stickers, so I'm only gonna get this if I can get it for less than $1. My kids will eat it tonight, otherwise I'll say never mind. My bananas from last week are getting soft, so I want just a few harder ones, 45 cents a pound for 3 of them. I need to make dog food and we just need eggs, so I'm getting 2 dozen at $1.79 a piece. Need a gallon of milk, 2% is $2.56. Need butter, $3.69. I saw these at Meijer last week and I wanted to check if Aldi has something similar. Okay, I'm not gonna get that one. Gross. Starting to lose faith in these. Yeah, we'll get them from Meijer instead. Disgusting. But they have them here, they're just gross. Oh, but they have yellow ones. These actually look pretty good. I'll get these, $3.29. I'm getting 3 cans of black beans, 81 cents a piece, mainly for my dog. My kids, especially my son, are loving munching on green peppers, so I just slice them up, $1.85. I'm making a Caesar chickpea salad, so instead of chicken, it's chickpeas, pasta salad, and I needed classic Caesar croutons, $1.25. Our Greek dinner moved from this weekend because we got invited to a barbecue instead, so I bumped it to next week. But we ran out of pita chips this week. My son snacked on them, so I'm getting more, $2.79. We are almost out of maple syrup and we're having pancakes this week, $5.49. Okay, I'm very tempted to get one of these, a runner for indoor-outdoor by our pool. This might be really nice. I can think of a couple areas that might be nice. But then I also see my dog chewing it. But they're only $9.99. A nice little fire bowl, $39.99. They have the fake Crocs. I'm wearing my Aldi fake Crocs. They're only $6.99. Great price for Crocs, obviously. Different pouches. Oh my lord. That swimsuit is something. $12.99. Beach hats. Different rests and floats and reusable water balloons. Lots of fun outdoor stuff here. Camping items. We bought this set maybe 4 years ago now, and we still use it if people come stay the night. There's 2 different beds, or you can make a full size. One of the best Aldi finds, as I said, 2 or 1. I definitely would recommend this, especially if you have sleepovers. Folding picnic table. Oh wow, a lightweight portable chair that folds up. That's really nice. That'd be easier to carry than big ones. Lots of cool things. Oh my gosh, a pet backpack. That's hilarious. More inflatable items, pools, dental chews. A dog leash, that's pretty. They have harnesses, collars. We have a more expensive version than the Aldi ones of these chairs, and my kids really like them. I don't have the Aldi version, but we would recommend them. I need some minced garlic, $2.29, almost out of it. I don't know how, but we ran out of onion powder, one of my favorite seasonings, 99 cents. I need rotini for the chickpea Caesar pasta salad, 98 cents. I missed these last week, but Elsie's last week of school lunches, definitely gonna get her these, $2.79. I'm excited these are still here. Last week I thought they looked pretty interesting. I'm gonna make them when I make the chickpea Caesar salad, pasta salad. It's $7.49. Sweet chili lime. Okay, I'm getting dill dip for vegetables. Elsie requested this, $3.85. I have a feeling we'll have a lot of this summer. And then tomorrow when we grill out, this sounded really good to me, so I'm getting the street corn, $3.39. They have different patties, fried chicken, mac and cheese bites, potato skins. Oh, they have some more skewered chicken over there. Frozen chicken breast, duck, different pizzas here, sliders, bagel pizzas. They have combination and cheese. My kids like the cheese ones.
Yes.
More pretzels here.
Okay,
Still have all the German things. I still haven't made or tried the apple blossoms. Okay, I said if these were here this week still, I'd get these and make them for part of my meal this week. So I'm getting the curly fries for $3.79. My son will be delighted. Oh, these are interesting. Ice cream filled cupcakes. They have a giant Oreo cake here. Different German cakes are still around. Lots of popsicles. Definitely seems like summer. We are running low on our sliced cheddar, so I'm gonna get actually 2 packs of this, $1.65. Now I'm gonna get one of these and I'm gonna get one of Swiss because that sounds good to me on my burger tomorrow. I like Swiss cheese. $1.65 each. I'm not gonna get these, but I thought they looked pretty decent. Honey jalapeno pork ribs and kapow boneless pork ribs, $6.99. Okay, I need green beans for Emmy. I'm gonna get 2 of them, 96 cents each. I'm getting 3 unflavored waters, 89 cents a piece. The Aldi Finds food area doesn't really seem to have much new here. It's pretty picked over if there was new stuff, I guess. They have these Sprecher root beer cream soda. We get these at Menards sometimes, so nothing new for us, just new here. Bouillon cubes, onion rings and the hot onion rings. A couple different dressings and Starburst gummies. Peach, strawberry poppy seed, and peach vinaigrette. Oh, and regular poppy seed. Here's my cart. Any guess on my total before I head to Meijer? Okay, the total is $77.58. Now let's go to Meijer. Here we are at Meijer. When I was working full-time, I used to grocery shop at like 10 or 11 p.m. at night because it was the easiest to fit into my schedule with young kids. I could not fit Aldi in with their weird hours, but I still like shopping at Meijer to get the sales, but Aldi's my favorite. This week there's a middle school awards night for both my girls, and my daughter has been loving this dress. I told her to wait for a coupon, and look, I got one, so I get 50% off of $34. This wasn't on my list, but it looks so fresh and good, $1.49 a pound for asparagus, so I'm gonna get a nice little bundle here. Okay, strawberries are 4 for $5, so of course I'm gonna get 4 of them. Sweet corn is 5 for $2, so I'm gonna get 5 of them. My son is the one that's most obsessed with these. Aldi didn't have any green grapes, but Meijer's here for the rescue. They're $2.99 a pound, so let's get a smaller bag. Ooh, they're not super hard though. The green grapes feel so soft. They're not super firm, which I know my daughter likes, so I'm skipping them. I might be making a bad mom move, but I'm gonna get red grapes instead because these are really nice and firm. And that's how she likes them. They're the same price per pound, $2.99. We'll see if she's upset. I need tahini to make the dressing for the Caesar salad. $5.49. Okay, I'm making my way up front. Any guess on my total? Don't forget, there's a $17 dress at the bottom. I didn't plan to end up here, but we're at Walmart because I didn't realize I didn't have pumpkin for the dog food. I got 3 of the pumpkins, a thing of ketchup, and then I saw these Dr. Pepper beans. Kel, can you show them those? And my sister told me that these are vegan, so my daughter doesn't have to worry. So we got that as well. We're about to check out. I love looking at this clearance area, and I saw these Cholulas, which my daughter has been asking me to find Cholula. Okay, it was $2.38, now it's just $2. I feel like that's not that big of a discount. Dill pickle, spicy sesame, lots of random things. Oh, now that's a bag of Mary Jane that I'd like. I love those. Okay, before we get to the meal plan, this ended up being free. They told me not even to ring it up because it was $4.29 with $5 off. Today was the Best By date. My kids both tried it and said it was nasty. Even the dog wouldn't try a piece, so glad I didn't pay for it. Okay, the meal plan for the week. Tonight, Monday, we are having sliders. We're having sweet corn. We're gonna have the curly fries. We have the baked beans I added last minute at Walmart. A very typical Memorial Day cookout meal. We were supposed to have this last week, but we got invited to a barbecue and we went and did that instead. So we already have everything on hand for this almost. I did get more pita chips though. Wednesday, we're gonna go to the farmer's market and eat dinner there. Again, this is supposed to be last week, but I realized I had a daughter that had an appointment on the other side of town and I couldn't make both work and the appointment was more important. So we had a pantry meal last week and we're going to the farmer's market this week. I'm very excited for that. Thursday, we're gonna have Qdoba. I have 2 middle schoolers and Thursday is the middle school awards night. Both of my girls are getting awards and Qdoba is their favorite. So we're gonna go there in celebration of them and their accomplishments this school year. Friday, we're gonna make breakfast for dinner. I'm gonna make pancakes, a fruit sauce. We're gonna have the smashed Parmesan-y type potatoes. We'll have English muffins, eggs, and then I do have bacon in my freezer that I'm gonna fry up. Very traditional breakfast type dinner. Saturday, I'm making the chickpea Caesar pasta salad, and then I'm gonna make the chicken skewers with that. And then Sunday, it's gonna be a leftover of all of these other meals. If you wanna see us making breakfast for the first time on our Blackstone, it'll give you a great idea of what this Friday's meal will look like. You can check out this video right here. Thank you so much for watching. Ciao, Donna, ciao.